Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to automatically add products from Google Sheets to Shopify. So imagine that you add the product details in your Google Sheets on the daily basis, and you will also have to create the same product in your Shopify store by copying the details from the sheet and then manually create the same product in Shopify. Well, what if I tell you that you can automate this whole scenario? Yes, whenever you will add the new product details in your Google Sheet, the same product will be added automatically in your Shopify store as well. Interesting, right? Let me even show you this automation example live. So this is my Google Sheet in which I am going to add my product details, and as soon as I will update the details, and you will see the same product will be created in my Shopify store as well here in the product section. Okay, so let's add the details, and you can see I have added a product mobile phone. The product title is Realme and the vendor is Pabbly. Sale price is here, the quantity is 70, and this is the image of the product. And since I have added the details, let me press enter and let's see whether in Shopify product section this product has been created automatically or not. I have refreshed this product page, and you can see the same product has been added to the Shopify store as well. Okay, let me show you. This is the product title, this is the image which I have shown you, and the sales price is 11,999, and you can see whatever the details I have added here has been updated in my Shopify store. So you must be thinking, how did I manage to send this data from Google Sheets to Shopify? Well, I have built up a connection in between Google Sheets and Shopify store with the help of an automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. So follow my video till the end and you will be also able to set this kind of automation very easily. First, open your browser and type pabbly.com/connect and press enter, and you will reach to the landing page of that automation software. Now from this blue button, create your free account. The account creation is absolutely free, and you will also get 100 free tasks to create this automation. Now I have signed in because I was already logged in. Click on access now and you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now you will find a blue button here. From this blue button you can actually start creating your automation, your workflow. Give any random name. I am giving the name as Google Sheets to Shopify automation for product creation. Okay, all right, let me correct this spelling. Okay, it's done. Now click on create. Once you will click on create, you will find two boxes in front of you. Let me tell you what are these. These are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Example, when a sale is happen in payment gateway application, share a file via Google Drive. Another example, when a form is submitted, let's say Google form, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever the product details added in your Google Sheet, okay, trigger event will be new or updated sheet row, spreadsheet row. Okay, whenever the product is updated in your Google Sheet, create the product in Shopify automatically. Well, we will do this next step, the Shopify step, later. Let's first connect our Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect so that we can actually capture the data of product here in our Pabbly Connect account. You can see I have this webhook URL in front of me and some set of instructions. You will have to follow these instructions in order to build up the connection. Let me even tell you that first you will have to copy this webhook URL, go back to your Google Sheet. Okay, this is my Google Sheet which I am connecting with my Pabbly Connect. Okay, first you'll have to click on extensions, go to add-ons, get add-ons, search for Pabbly Connect webhooks, and you will see the webhooks, the add-ons will be open here. I already installed it, that is why I am closing it for now, but you will have to install it very first. Okay, now again click on extension and you will find your Pabbly Connect webhooks option here. Click on initial setup, and here I am going to paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from the Pabbly Connect. Paste it here, okay, in order to set up the connection. And the trigger column is actually the last data entry column of the Google Sheet. Let me check where up to which column my data is. My data is up to actually G column. That is why I am going to fill G here. In case your data column is up to X, Y, Z, whatever the value is, fill that particular column name. G will be here only, and click on send test. Well, since there is no data in the row, that is why it is written no data found in row 2. Let's close it and let's first fill some data, okay? You can see I have filled out all the details. The product type is mobile phone, title is Realme, the vendor is Pabbly, sale price is here, compare price is here. Let me correct this spelling, okay? Compare price is here. I have 70 mobile phones in my stock, and let me show you this image as well. Okay, so this is the image of the product. Come back here, click on extension again. Alright, click on Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup. Pasting the webhook URL, this is the column. Now click on send test, waiting, and you can see the test data has sent successfully. Click on submit, and let's go back to Pabbly Connect and see whether this data has been captured or not. Alright, you can see the mobile phone is here, the product title, vendor name, every detail has been captured by Pabbly Connect, okay? That means the first step of our integration is actually done. Now we are going to send this data to Shopify and create a product in Shopify automatically. So let's minimize it, and in the next application, choose Shopify, okay? Here is the Shopify. In action event, I want to create a product. That is why I will search for this particular action event. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Well, it is asking two details for connection: admin API access token key and enter subdomain. Well, the instruction for the same, that from where you will find these two details, are already given. You can also watch this video. Let me tell you what exactly you will have to do. Go to your Shopify account and navigate to apps, develop and create an app. So this is my Shopify account. Here I will click on this app section, okay, and basically we'll have to create an app first. The app and sales channel settings, open here, click on develop apps, and from here we can actually create our app. Create app, give any random name. Let's say I'm giving the name as Google Sheets to Shopify connection, okay? Click on create app, and you will find a configure admin API scopes. Click here and it will ask you what exactly details you want. So I want basically to add a product. That is why I will give the permission for the same. Where is the product section? Let me check. And you can see the product listing is here and product section is here. We want to tick on these two things, okay? Basically we are granting the permission to Shopify, okay? Now click on save, and basically we wanted the token and access key. Alright, and you will find the API credentials here, okay? Install the app, click on install, and you can see the admin API access token is here. Reveal it, copy it, and let's paste it to here, okay? Second thing is the subdomain. So basically in my Shopify store, in the whole URL, you can find my domain name. Let's copy it and paste it to Pabbly Connect and read what is written over here. Example xyz.myshopify.com. So here the subdomain will be the xyz. In our case, it has not actually got pasted. In our case, I will remove this myshopify.com and https, and this is how I will actually get my subdomain, okay? Click on save and you will see my Shopify account is connected. Now all I have to do is to fill these details and the product will be created automatically. Something is wrong. Okay, all right. Now it is asking for the product detail, type, vendor and so on. So basically, whatever the data I have received from Google Sheets, I have to fill the same data to Shopify, but I do not have to actually copy the details one by one. Simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. You just have to select the fields one by one. Product title, basically it is Realme. Some spelling is wrong, but don't worry. We are doing it just for the testing purpose, just for letting you know how you can actually build the connections. Product type is okay, mobile phone, and the vendor is okay, Pabbly. Let's come down again. Product description, I have not added any description in my Google Sheets. I am keeping this value blank because it is not mandatory. Tags published at, let's leave it blank. Well, the price is actually required, that is why I am going to map the price from here. Okay, all right, this is the sale price. Compare price. Well, let me tell you a very interesting thing. Whatever values I am mapping here, that means these value will be changed as soon as the new value is arrived in Google Sheet. And whenever the new data is updated in Google Sheet, these values will be changed automatically. This is the interesting thing about this mapping in Pabbly Connect. And lastly, image URL. Okay, where is the image URL? Let me find it. Here it is. So I have filled all the details. Now I am going to click on save and send test request, and you will see it will be added automatically. But first, let's go back to Shopify. Let's close it and let's check our product section. Okay, first. Okay, this is my product section, and you can see there is no product, such product. There is no product available with the Realme name, you can see. And now I am going to click on save and send test request. Okay, fingers crossed. All right. It is taking a little time, and you can see the response is received, which means our automation has worked. Let's go back to Shopify and let's refresh it and see whether the product has got created or not. Well, where is the product? Okay, where it is? And you can see Realme, the product has been added automatically. Let me open this product and show you even the details. This is the product title. I have leave the description. This is the same image which I have added in my Google Sheet. Let me even show you. Okay, you can see this is the same image. Go back to Shopify. The price was 11,099. Compare price was 13,099. Let's check the details. Yes, the vendor was Pabbly and quantity was 70. Okay, check it. And you can see all the details are here. Where is the quantity actually? Let me search for it. Okay, you can see the quantity is 70. That means our integration is working absolutely fine. Okay, let me even test it once again, but before that you will have to do one more very important setting. If you want that whenever now onward someone is adding the details in your Google Sheet, it should be added as a product in Shopify. For that you will have to click on extension. You'll have to go to Pabbly Connect webhooks again, and make sure this send on even is actually ticked mark. If it is ticked mark, that means whenever the details are going to add it will work automatically. Let's add some other details. Let's say product type. So plastic bottles. I am creating this product. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, all right. Product title is ABC water bottle. Vendor is again, let's assume Pabbly. The sales price is actually, let's say 499. Compare prices 599. Quantity, I have 100 bottles in stock, and let me add the same image for now. Okay, you can add the relevant URL. Make sure. Let's go back to Shopify. Let's go back to products and see this bottle product has added or not. Where it is, let me find it. Fingers crossed. Okay, where it is, I cannot find it. Let me refresh it once. Okay, Well, you can see the ABC water bottle. This product has also added, and the stock is 100, type is plastic bottle, vendor is here. Let me open even this product. Okay, and the image is actually your phone because I have added the same image, and the price is here. So that means now onwards, whenever someone is going to update this Google Sheet with the details of the product, it will be added automatically to Shopify. That means our automation is working absolutely fine. Let me see what exactly we have done. Let's minimize it. Let's minimize this also. Okay, so firstly we have connected our Google Sheet in which we were about to add the product details with Pabbly Connect. So firstly, we have created a Google Sheet and connect it with the Pabbly Connect and fetch out the data, basically capture the data of Google Sheet in Pabbly Connect. Later on, we have created a connection in between Shopify and Pabbly Connect, and this is how our automation has created. And lots of people ask me that even after creating this automation, do they really need to these settings again and again? Well, let me tell you, no. Once you have created this automation in Pabbly Connect has done its job. Simply close it. Now onwards, whenever someone is going to add the details, it will be added in Shopify automatically. You do not have to do anything manually, any settings again and again. Also, I will add this automation link in my description box. Also, I will add this automation link, this workflow link in my description box. Also, I will add the link of my workflow, my automation in my description box so that you can actually go to that link and directly clone into your Pabbly Connect account. And you just have to provide the credentials, set up your sheets, and you are good to go. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.